Hey friends, if you wish to fix Microsoft Office click to run OfficeC2Rclient exe high CPU usage on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So here's what you have to do. First of all, right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Then you can go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side. Select installed apps, and then you can scroll down and find the Microsoft Office application. Click on the three dots associated with it, modify, select online repair, and finally click on repair to initiate the repair process. This is the only way that you can fix the problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.